Nick is leading the way. Good times. New spot. Trying something new. I'm getting covered in water. No pressure, boys, but we need one for the video.
Next cast.
Oh, he's calling his shots.
Another Mepps red this time with a little bead on the bottom. Got it covered. Here we go. Get your fish right now.
We got a tiny bit of rain coming in. So maybe that might. Oh no, I got rain on the lens.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, look at that. Ah, quality. I'm here to assist in making sure that you can get the lure back in the water as quick as possible to ensure the best quality.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate
well, I mean, hey, listen, small things, right? Small things.
Can you make the rain stop?
No, sorry. Last time I checked, no. I've tried, but oh, listen, hey, one in 4, eh? I only I charge per removal. Alright. This rain is taking a turn for the worse. They're singing now.
Singing in the rain.
Oh, negative. It's kind of raining.
When's it stop?
I didn't look at the stop time. I just looked at the start time.
When does it stop?
Like 10 o'clock. No, I didn't. It wasn't me that agreed with you. It was him. That's the only thing that's like, oh, I guess yours is fine now. I'm gonna check this out of my face.
Why is your phone water resistant?
Waterproof, thank you. Jeez.
Resistant.
Resistant proof, all the same.
Keep
There's Nick getting soaking wet. He looks like he's about to say, what the heck? You look so thrilled, buddy.
Yeah.
I love that you wore a gray shirt too. It just really brings the rain out. Boys, this is nature. And or stupidity, one of the two. Stupidity.